What's up guys? Zach here from Kura Home. We are an air duct and routine maintenance company mainly located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm actually at my home in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I'm going to be telling you guys about the MERV rating on furnace filters. What you want to do when you're replacing your furnace filter, it's going to look something like this. Every furnace is different, but you're going to have a switch. It might be down low, might be up top a little bit. You're just going to kind of have to search around your furnace and see where it's at. So you're going to want to flip that switch down in the off position, because if you guys don't turn this off, there's a bunch of stuff in the bottom of your furnace and you don't have your furnace filter in, then a bunch of that stuff can shoot through your entire supply lines and go out through your home and create more dust. So sometimes you guys have lids like this on top. Sometimes, you know, they slide. There's rubber patches on top. You just want to take that guy off. You want to take your furnace filter out like this. See, that one's got a little bit of dust on it there. Next, you want to take your next furnace filter, your clean one that you got. You're going to see arrows that look like this, you guys. You're going to see arrows that look like this. They might be on this side. They might be on the shorter side. You want to have those pointing towards your actual part of the furnace here, okay? Towards the blower fan. So you want those pointing towards the blower fan like that. Just pop that guy in nice and easy. Put the lid back on so none of that dust flies around outside, and you can flip that switch. You guys are good to go. Another thing I wanted to mention to you guys, furnace filters like this, these colored ones that you can almost see my face through. These are anywhere between MERV 2 and 4 rating. They're very, very good if you want to have a lot of airflow go through your home with a little bit of dust going through. So these guys don't collect everything. The lower the MERV rating, the less dust they're going to collect. The higher the MERV rating, that's MERV, the more dust that they will collect. So for an example, the furnace filter that I just put in, I know did not look like these two down here. But that one actually is a MERV 8 rating. What we put into furnaces at Kura Home when we do routine maintenance is the MERV 11 rating. It's in the middle. So it goes all the way from MERV 2 to MERV 20. MERV 2 is like the one that I just showed you. MERV 20 is like furnace filters that you put into hospitals, nursing homes, so that they have to get every single piece of bacteria and debris that might be in the air.